What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to try to resolve the problem of when you have too much power, such as a 6,000 kV motor into a Mini T, and your Losi keeps wanting to do backflips and wheelies and things of that nature. So I went ahead and purchased some weights to put in the front, and I'm going to start one by one to see when I can resolve the issue of it backflipping. And doing a partial wheelie is okay, but I wanted to get up and go, get all that power to the wheels and just hit it, you know what I mean? And this is coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc.
Let's get it. Okay, so we're going to try to figure out the best spot to put these weights. I'm going to start one, like I said, one at a time. So I'm thinking maybe one here, and then maybe like two here. But I'm going to start one at a time, and then we'll see how that works. So I'm going to start like right there in the middle. I don't know. Yeah, I think one should work there. If we put one right there, that should be okay. And then we'll go from there. So let's get these weights open and let's get it. All right, as you can see, we got one weight on. These are the sticky kind. You don't have to screw anything down. So we're gonna test it out and see if she starts doing back flips or if the back flips have lessened. All right, let's get it. Not sure what happened to the weight, but it fell off. I might have to put some crazy glue in there. While it was on there, it held up pretty good. I have to figure out another way, but yeah, it definitely needs weights, but this is a blast to drive. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on your notification bell so you know when we post new videos. And as always, thank you for taking your valuable time for watching. And until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.